If we are able to save even one life, I think we will feel accomplished in what we set out to do.
With over 4 lakhs cases rising daily and more than 4,000 people dying every day, India is facing the worst second wave of Covid pandemic. Daily 4 lakhs cases and still rising. The entire health system is overwhelmed. Hospital ran out of bed. People are struggling to get oxygen. Thousands of people dying every day. A doctor in Mumbai breaks down under the stress.
वेटिंग पे है, पेशेंट्स के लिए बेड्स नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी हेल्पलेस. यानी मुझे इतना हेल्पलेस और लाचार कभी फील नहीं हुआ है. वी हैव टू लिटरली मैनेज पेशेंट्स एट होम विद ऑक्सीजन, and this is not something we are enjoying.
Sad as it may sound, many lives could be saved if only there were more hospital, more medicine, more oxygen, and most importantly, right information on time. Unfortunately, there isn't. I am Aiken Solo, and allow me to introduce you to one amazing human being who has found a great solution to one of the many problems. She has built this Telegram chatbot which will provide you with updated COVID-19 resource information. Introducing Bhavya Chandra.
Hi everyone, I'm Bhavya, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting application that might be useful to you. So I, along with a team of very dedicated developers as well as volunteers, built out this automatic chatbot that will help you find COVID resources in and around your city. So the volunteers and I who work on this bot really wanted to help out our country, our family and our loved ones back home in India. We felt very helpless when we saw our Facebook flooded with all these requests for help, all these posts of people asking for plasma donors or looking for oxygen. And so this idea of this bot started. A group of volunteers started collecting these numbers and started calling them to check and verify if they are working. And we used their help to build this bot on top of their verification and the numbers that they gave us, so that it's easy for other people who might not have access to or a time to call and verify the numbers to easily get these numbers and these resources and find it in their city. We actually started initially in the city of Lucknow, which was our first city. And slowly we increased it. We then launched it in Delhi, and now we have it in several cities across India. So it has grown to cover a lot of regions, and there is an active team of volunteers who every day keeps checking and verifying these numbers so that the resources are always up to date and people can get their answers quickly as possible. So do check out the bot and see how to use it, and do give a shout out to all the volunteers and all the developers who have been together in this journey, working alongside their normal jobs at nights for long hours to build out the bot and all of this for everyone. So let's take a look at how this app works. So for this bot, you will need to download the Telegram chat application. It is a chatting application similar to WhatsApp, and you can download it from your Play Store. So let's get started and see what the bot can do. When you go to the bot and you click start, it will list out a list of things that you can do. But before anything, you need to be able to select your city and your state so that it can tell you the resources in that place. So let me start by selecting my city and state. From this list, I'm going to look for Uttar Pradesh. And the city that I will be choosing is Lucknow. So as you can see, this is alphabetically sorted. So Lucknow might be a little bit at the end of this list, and there it is. So now I found Lucknow and I can click it. So I have now set my state as Uttar Pradesh and my city as Lucknow. Now within Lucknow, I want to see what are the resources that my bot knows about. So I will click list, and then it will show a list of things that are available in and around Lucknow. So let's say I need to find oxygen. So I will click on oxygen, and it will tell me a recent record that it has found to be working. I can click on the number and call it from my mobile to check whether this record works. Let's say it works, that's great. I can vote it up. If you vote it up, it will also help other users to know that this is working. And if it doesn't work, you should vote it down, because even that will help us not give this information to the next user that needs it. And then we can retry more records by clicking the retry button. If I found something that worked and I want to save it, I can also click on bookmark and it will save it for me. And the next time I can just see it in my list of saved bookmarks. So that's about looking for oxygen. And if, let's say, I want to look for something else, like a hospital maybe, then I can click on hospital, and the bot is going to tell me one recent hospital information. And similarly, even for hospital, you can vote it up, vote it down, or bookmark it. So let me just show you what happens if you want to see your bookmarks. So I'm going to click bookmark, and it is showing me all the things that I've bookmarked in the past. So as you can see, I've bookmarked some of the other things in the past as well. Apart from this, whenever you are lost or confused, you can type help and the bot will tell you what are the other things that it can do. So you can give us feedback on what to improve if something is not working by clicking feedback, and the bot will directly link you to a form where you can type in whatever your issue is. And if you know a resource that is working and that might not be on a bot, you can click create, and it will also take you to an information page where you can feed in this input. Lastly, I would like to say that this bot has crowdsourced data, which means we have collected it from things that people have posted online, and in our best capability tried to verify it. But you should definitely do your due diligence and check the market price and check the listing before proceeding further. So please check out the bot. Download the Telegram app and go to the bot's link in the description. And if you find it useful, if you think you found resources on it, share it around with people. If we are able to save even one life, I think we will feel accomplished in what we set out to do.
So friends, do visit the bot. The link is in the description below. Share this video as much as you can so that everyone can benefit from this video. And finally, I'm sending this message to everyone back in India. COVID-19 is worse than ever before. So stay at home, wear a mask, maintain safe distancing, because all these small steps can help us be safe and keep our country safe. Just like we got through the first wave, I'm 100% sure that we'll get through the second wave as well. So support each other, stay positive, stay strong, and we'll win the fight together.